Today, I'm gonna take some crusty bread and make crunchy breadcrumbs. I didn't film an intro, so hello. So I have these slices of bread. This was a loaf that I baked, and I've cut it into slices. These are 3 pieces of store-bought bread. I'm just gonna cut them into strips, and then into cubes, and then we're gonna season them. So let's get a bigger one. For seasoning, we're going to use olive oil, freeze-dried parsley, some homegrown lovage, powdered celery, garlic powder, and let's do a dill bronze fennel blend. Nice. So we're gonna drizzle a quarter cup. Alright, now that everything's a little sticky, so let's do, you guys want measurements all the time. You're killing me! I never measured a single ingredient my entire life until TikTok. Teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon freeze-dried parsley. A powdered celery, maybe we'll do 2 teaspoons of this. And a teaspoon of our dill and fennel blend. Alright, about a teaspoon of that. This is strong anyway. And of course, lovage. A teaspoon of that. Ooh, I know what Parmesan cheese. Let's do 2 tablespoons. That's the ticket. Big stir. It smells amazing. I keep wanging the camera. I'm going to preheat the oven to 300. 300. I'm going to create as much air among these as I can. Alright, got my single layer. So we're going to do 315-minute increments. Check on them often and see if they are to the crispiness of your liking. Otherwise, just keep them rolling. And we'll be back when they're out. I'm checking on these guys after 8 minutes, and I'm just coming in and turning them over. Nice. So we went for 30 minutes at 300, tossing them twice, and came out with these beautiful, crispy croutons. They are delicious. The seasoning's excellent. And they're so crunchy, but not like too dry. Well done, I believe.